Well, we've had our heads buried in the computers for the past couple of days, but we did get checked in, and it was the easiest process we probably had in a long time. We ended up hiring an agent because we read online you did not need a bond to check in to French Polynesia. Turns out we get here and they've changed the rules, and you do need a bond if you want to stay in French Polynesia, which is just essentially an amount of money in the bank or an airplane ticket home. They just want to make sure that you're going to leave the islands and not stick around. So we hired an agent because they can basically give you a little letter stating that they'll cover you to make sure that you're going to get out of the country. And because we have long stay visa applications, which we still have to finish that process, and we'll need an agent for that. So anyway, we're only halfway through the process, if even. We have finished up the rest of it on another island called New Hiva, still here in the Marquesas. But for now, we're good to be in the country and roam about. So we're gonna go do that. Roam about. Okay, shoes are ready.
Chasing rainbows, near or far, I'll color your world.
It's our first stop on the tour of Hiva Oa.
Cemetery.
Cemetery, yes, sorry. Ah, let's go back. Oh. It's like citrus and vanilla. And of course, you know, floral. I'll take that.
Dawn comes slow. It comes and goes.
It's a pretty simple cemetery. Everybody seems to be facing this way, which is the beautiful view of the ocean. I mean, it's not a bad place to lay to rest. There are two notable people here that we found out just now about. Paul Gauguin. I'm totally butchering the name, I'm sure. He was a famous French post-impressionist artist. And apparently there's a museum down here that's got some of his work because he lived here like the last 10 years of his life. He influenced people like Matisse and Picasso. I feel like I have bugs on me.
Probably.
And then the other guy is a famous singer who is named Jacques Brel. I don't really know what he did. He sings some really beautiful songs. Belgian.
Yeah.
So, lovely little place, and I see a cross just up the hill, and I think we're going to try to hike up to that.
Yep. There's their view. What'd you find?
We were told they're called plums.
Pick plums, I think.
Yeah, but they're very small, like a grape almost. They look like that, and they are super, you know, like suck all the moisture, but they're kind of sweet at the same time.
You make it look like it's sour almost.
It's like literally sucking all the, and then my teeth get stuck to my lips. But I keep eating it, I don't know why.
It tastes good too, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, big seed.
And that is big.
Okay, this is like your torture.
Mm-hmm. All those mangoes and none of them are ripe. What a shame. Oh, and my teeth are all stuck. I'm eating that big lump.
Man, that is just torture. They're just hanging on there.
I know.
The entire tree is just covered.
Beautiful.
No, we're almost to the cross. It's right there.
That grapefruit, pretty much ready. Just a little green. They call them pamplemousse, and they are all over the island. And some of them are massive, like as big as your head. And the locals will sell them in town for like $1.50. So totally worth it. These are definitely somebody, so it would not be cool. Oh, it smells so. The whole freaking island smells good. You're just wafting with all these flowers. Want to eat everything, smell everything.
Time this could be a new sign of me. A feeling I hope to find.
Hey, we made it! Check out that view! That's totally time-lapse worthy.
In between that little island, that rock, and the tip of this island. That is where the giant manta rays are supposed to be. We're supposed to go swim with them.
Swim with the giant manta rays?
Giant manta rays.
Okay, sign me up.
On that sandbar.
Cool.
All these little star fruits just going to the ground.
There's one right there.
And there's,
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
except for,
Oh, the bugs got it.
yeah, they have to eat too.
And there's this crazy looking thing. Look at that. Yeah. I bet it's tasty.
Might be soursop.
We've got papaya there.
And breadfruit. They taste nothing like bread.
And up here, bananas.
Banana.
And over here, lychee. Oh, it's like one of our favorite fruits ever. None of them are ready yet.
And we're back down to town, the one street that is town. We've got the gendarme over here. Oh, now we're turning in circles.
Oh, sorry.
Gendarme.
That's where we checked in.
Yep, the police station. That's where we checked in.
Paul Gauguin Museum's right down there.
As well as the little shack that's the tourist office.
Or something.
And we've got the grocery store and stuff this way. And hopefully a small restaurant that's still open because I'm really hungry.
Really hungry. My stomach is like rumbling. Mitchell. Oh, look at those bananas. Wow.
Disappointment City. Everything is meat. There's nothing vegetarian and no fish. So, back to the boat we go, or maybe to the grocery store.
That's the grocery store slash everything general store. That's like the super popular spot for food.
Oh, and the store may be closed.
Oh, for me.
Yeah.
Bummer.
Everything closes pretty much by 10 or 11
12.
o'clock. I forgot about that. Dang it! Oh.
Oh well.
Okay,
It's only 2 miles back to the boat.
that's right. We'll make it. So 105.
5 comme ça. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Comme ça. 5.
Okay.
Thought they were 5 for.
For $1, it's they're basically $1 each. So I only got 2, which is totally okay. 1 for each of us. It's all the coins I had, and I don't know what they are. I tried to ask him if they were sweet, and he said, "Oui."
So we thumbs up.
Yeah. So I'm assuming they're sweet. I think they're maybe like a donut. I don't know. Well, here,
Yeah, I was gonna say just.
I'll just eat one. Kind of just, yeah, like a dry donut. There's no glaze. Just a sweet, doughy bread.
There
It's
you go.
good.
Sustenance for the walk home.
There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome back to the bay. Couple of things. They have, this is the trash for all of the cruisers coming in, free. They have a little outdoor shower right here, and kind of like a little cleaning station here where everybody does like their laundry and stuff like that, and it's all free, which is really cool. And then there's a pretty decent little dinghy dock over here, also free. So they've really got it set up to make it welcoming.
Very welcoming. And a water spigot right down there on the dock.
Yes, so you can wash your feet before you get back in the dinghy, because
But
when
we-
it rains here, it is muddy.
But we were told don't drink the water.
Oh yeah, don't drink it. Just for cleaning. Sing up. What's happening? What are we doing? We don't understand silent cat speak. Jason, what's going on?
Well, on this outside anchorage, we might as well be in the open ocean. It's pretty rolly. So we've prepared the stern anchor again, and I'm doing it slightly different this time because I'm not going to use the chain because it was really hard to get up last time. Hopefully, this will make it easier. But I've got like this daisy chain of shackles.
Look at that beauty.
It's because we have the world's smallest swivel on this anchor.
Why haven't you upgraded that? I mean, what's your problem?
Hey, what have I been doing all day?
A little jerk later, but we are anchored back in the calmer area.
Yeah, it's like half as much rolling here. I can put the dinghy down by myself.
Without it going whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Dirt everywhere.
That's okay. It's about to be sunset. That's our stern anchor right there. It's actually off to the side of us, but that's because everybody's getting pushed that way at the moment. And there's our neighbors. The Goonie. A couple of trimarans back there. I am.
Here with everything?
Probably not.
I'll wait. Continue.
I'm done.
Oh. What you cooking?
Coconut rice, and then I'm gonna do a chipotle black bean corn shrimp mix for the top. Be kind of like, I don't know, Mexican. That's what I'm cooking.
And I am, Sina's helping me work on the AC that's broken. And I think we did enough steps today that we can have that.
We did. Oh, I must have taken one more step because last time I looked it was 7.9 and now it's 8.0 miles.
8.0 miles.
Yes.
It's not a bad day. And a
No.
nice day.
It was good.
Now things are more comfortable, so I'm gonna pour this fancy beer. We've been carrying it for a while. Thanks, Mom. It's a present from her.
From a long time ago.
Yeah. Oh, it's exciting.
English toffee, rich mocha, sweet molasses, candied currants, and a hint of anise. This tyrannical monster is ready to liberate now, but we highly recommend cellaring additional bottles as the sour will continue to mature and become denser and more complex with age. So we're what, like a year and a half in?
Brewed on November 2016.
Here we go.
Special.
The French Polynesia. It's very candy-like. Lots of
Yeah. I miss
yummy
these kind of
flavors.
beers.
Don't get used to
I
it.
know, it's special. Cheers, everyone, to a good day.
Mm. You might be asking yourself, why does an air conditioner matter on a sailboat? You're not supposed to have things like that. Well, we run our air conditioner, well, we used to almost never run it, but whenever we got to...
What happened? Oh, shit. What happened?
Oh,
Alright, tell us what you were going to tell us.
Stinking rolly anchorages, man. Oh.
It is better in here. It's still not good.
Yeah, it is very rolly here. I was just trying to explain that I've been running the air conditioner more since we've been in the tropics because it helps keep the mold down on the inside of the boat, which was definitely a problem in Panama. So I run it once a week for like an hour, and it is amazing how much it helps. That and the fact that they were burning all of the trash directly behind us, so it was all the smoke was coming into the boat. So we closed everything up and turned on the AC to try and keep the smoke from infiltrating the boat. Because that's what happens in small islands. They burn all the trash, and then you get stuck in a rolly anchorage and you have a really nice beer, and the camera was tipping over, and I saved the camera and had to sacrifice my beer in the process. And you can't buy anything like that around here. It's the saddest thing. Because it's a really nice beer. Oh, pain.
We'll see you another day. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked that one, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.